In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Monzo to PayPal 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to move money from your Monzo account into your PayPal balance, what to tap, and what to watch out for so everything lands safely. First, open your PayPal app. We're doing this to grab the bank details PayPal gives you for adding money by bank transfer. In the wallet or money section, look for an option like Add Money or Top Up by Bank Transfer. PayPal will show a sort code, an account number, and a unique reference. That reference is crucial. It tells PayPal the incoming money belongs to your account, so copy it carefully. If you see region-specific wording, just follow what appears in your app and make sure you're topping up in the correct currency for your PayPal balance. Now open your Monzo app, head to the Payments tab and choose to make a bank transfer. Add a new recipient using the sort code and account number PayPal provided. For the name, you can label it something you'll remember, like PayPal Top Up, so it's easy next time. Paste in that unique reference exactly as shown in PayPal, no extra spaces or emojis, and save the payee if you want to use it again. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check you've selected the right Monzo account or pot, confirm the currency is correct, and make sure you have enough available balance. If you're moving a larger amount, consider any daily limits and whether you actually need the full sum in your PayPal balance or just enough for your immediate purchase. Confirm the transfer in Monzo. You'll likely authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. If Monzo shows a confirmation of payee message, review it. Names can appear slightly differently for corporate accounts, but only proceed if you got the details directly from within your PayPal app. Once sent, Monzo will show you a receipt. Keep that as a quick reference. Now wait for your PayPal balance to update. UK faster payments usually arrive within minutes, though it can take up to a couple of hours. PayPal may need a short moment to assign the incoming funds to your account based on the reference. Refresh your PayPal wallet to check, and consider turning on notifications so you're alerted when the money lands. If it hasn't appeared after the normal window, compare the sort code, account number, and reference you used, and contact support if needed. That's it. Open PayPal to get the bank details, open Monzo, add those details, enter the amount, confirm, and wait for your PayPal balance to reflect the transfer. Save the payee for faster top-ups next time.